Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can update your pagination. First example, you have a collection page and in that you have the pagination like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, but you are interested to put a button of load more. So when we are clicking on that, then the products should be loaded on the basis of Ajax call, and in that way it will display on the same page. So I will show you step by step. So firstly, let me show you how it looks right now. So first example, I am previewing this specific version of my theme, and here is the home page. If I'm clicking on any of the collection page, so you will see that we have multiple products here, and at the bottom you will see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and next. So in that way we are actually navigating to other pages of the collections. So how beautiful it will be if we are adding a button of load more, and once we are clicking on it, then on the same page multiple other products should be loaded which were loading on the next pages. So that will be more suitable because it is creating a possibility to explore other previous products on the same page. So let me show you how you can do it into your Shopify store. I am working on symmetry theme. If you have any other theme, then same logic will apply in that. So let me go back here. For example, I am working on this specific latest version. So click on these three dots and duplicate this theme first, so that you should have a backup of this theme. Then after, you should click on edit code. So here we have some folders and files. So we are interested to add some code. For that, firstly we are going to click on sections, and we need to find out main collection template. So here we have main-collection.liquid, and inside of this main-collection.liquid we have a div element which is actually displaying all the products listing. So let me show you. So from here you can see that we have filter container, and inside of it we have a div element which is actually providing the possibility to do an Ajax call here. So actually this is the collection listing div. So inside of it we need to add one line of code, that is collection dash listing dash load more. So let me copy it, go back here. Here we are adding one class name, collection listing load more, and then we also need to add one more line of code, that is this one, but that should be inside the same opening tag. So that is data next URL. Actually this is calculating the next page collection products. So I have added that. Then after, you also need to add, then we have to copy this code, because this is the code which is helping us to display that load more button. So basically I am going to close this tag like this, and just below this filter container I am displaying that pagination button option, I mean load more button option. But below it you can see that we have this specific line of code, and that is displaying those numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me comment it out for now. So I am going to write here comment. So this is opening comment and then closing comment tag, end comment. So inside of it I have actually hidden this specific line of code because this was rendering the older pagination, and then I am saving the changes. And then one last step which we need to follow here is we need to paste this script at the bottom of this page, because this is the one which is helping us to display all those. So at the bottom I have added that JavaScript code. So you can see that collection listing load more, this on the basis of this class name we are actually fetching all those products and displaying those values. And that's it. Now let me refresh this page. Maybe I'm duplicating this tab and showing you the latest version. So here we go. On the top you can see that we have multiple products displaying here, and at the bottom you can see we have load more option. Here you have load more. If I'm clicking on it, you can see that we have other products displaying like this. So this is more beautiful than before. If I'm clicking once again, you will see that more products are loading on the same page. So this feature is so much useful because we are displaying all the products on a single page, but not loading at once. We are loading on the basis of this button click. So this will apply on all the collection pages which you have. For example, any other collection page if you go to, so this button will be displaying at the bottom. Here you can see load more button is available here also. For all the collection pages, you will see this load more button. So you can apply this into your Shopify store, and definitely this will improve your user experience of the website. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. If you have any other new feature to develop, then definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. I have given the contact details below in the description, so feel free to message me. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.